Seasons of Living. I'm Karen. Today I'm going to show you how to make elegant handmade chocolates using only 3 ingredients, which you probably have in your pantry right now. Every year for Valentine's, I like to make this special handmade chocolate for my family for a special treat. They love it, and I like to make everyone's favorite kind of chocolate, and this recipe is really easy to do that because you can take the chocolate and make peanut clusters, almond clusters, peppermint chocolate. A favorite is peanut butter cups, and you could also make almond butter cups if that is your favorite. Let's get started with our recipe. The ingredients that you'll need will be coconut oil, cocoa powder, and honey, and a little bit of sea salt. Just use your favorite brands. I use Valrhona cocoa because I think it's the best. And then whatever additions that you like to your chocolate will be what you'll need. So the first thing, we want to slightly melt our coconut oil, and we do not want to get it very hot, just barely melted. Okay, now you want to add your cocoa powder, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. Make sure this is off. You're not going to believe how simple this recipe is. You're only 5 minutes away from chocolate all the time, as long as you have coconut oil and cocoa and honey. See how beautiful? So I'm adding 3 tablespoons of honey, but you could do less or more. It's just to taste, whatever you prefer. You can even use maple syrup or agave, your choice. We just love this recipe because you can, within 5 minutes, have some chocolate candy, and we control the ingredients. Such an easy recipe for chocolate, it's almost unbelievable. The last little touch that I like to do is put a little sea salt, sprinkle on the top of my peanut butter cups. I think it just adds a little something special. We ended up with 10 mini muffin size peanut butter cups from the one recipe, with 1/4 cup of coconut oil and 1/4 cup of cocoa. I also like to take the chocolate mixture and pour it into these silicone molds. It makes these really beautiful shapes, and you can also add peppermint extract or a few drops of essential oil if it's edible, food safe oil, but they really are very beautiful and beautiful presentation. I also like to roast peanuts. I like to use about 1/2 cup of roasted peanuts per recipe. Just stir them in, let the mixture chill a little bit, and then put it on a cookie sheet. Also almond clusters, just roast the almonds and use about 1/2 cup. Let it chill a little bit, and by the tablespoon, drop it on wax paper or parchment paper and put the whole cookie sheet in the refrigerator until the candies are hardened. Put a little sea salt on top, and you are all ready to go. Beautiful. I hope you will make this recipe for your Valentine or any time. There's so many different things you can do with it, such as almond clusters and peanut clusters and the classic peanut butter cups. You always have the ingredients in your pantry, and chocolate in 5 minutes. What could be better? Thank you so much for watching our video today. Please give us a like, and please subscribe to our channel for more on farmstead living. We create a new video weekly from our Texas Hill Country farmstead. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.